What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Algorand here, and as you can see, I mean, it's performing exceptionally well over the past few days, hasn't it? Basically what happened was we had that big correction in the market for Bitcoin. Obviously a lot of altcoins came down and they retested support. And you can see here for Algorand, we actually retested support really bullishly. We come down and we wicked all the way back down onto the 55 moving average here on the daily time frame, because you can see ever since we flipped bullish on our EMAs, a few weeks ago, we come up to the top of this little range that we were in, we come back down, we retest the 20 as support really bullishly, we come all the way up, and then obviously we're making really good headway. Then we have the big Bitcoin crash, we come all the way down, we retest support really bullishly on that 55, we bounce all the way to the upside, and then as you can see, we've just absolutely ripped, and we've ripped all the way past the all-time high as well. So you can see, things have been going really well for Algorand, haven't they? We formed a little bit of a range, looking something like this, where we come down and up, forming a range here when we had the May crash, just like every other crypto. You can see what's happened. Basically, we flipped bearish on our EMAs, we had the big correction, we come down, we form our bottom, we come up, we form our top. We get stuck under our EMAs, though. And then since then, rolling over, retest the bottom, double bottom retest here with the W double bottom kind of thing. Work our way up through the EMAs, we break the 20, we hold the 20 as support, we break the 55, we flip them both bullish, and then since then, as we said, been holding them as support, forcing us to make a move to the upside. And we think a lot of smart contract platforms over the past few days, Near Protocol for example, we've also got Algorand, Solana is an obvious example. A lot of alternate smart contract platforms have been seeing a big run up in the market. And you can see Algorand is just doing exceptionally well here. So it basically come up, didn't it? It broke this resistance. It tested it here, we got rejected, we come up, we broke it, we retested it as support, we come up, we come down again, we retest the 55, and we wick all the way back up, way above, this resistance here, looking exceptionally bullish. We've actually flipped this little area here, looking something like this. We flipped this little area here into support, which is really bullish. This previous level of resistance here, which was flipped into this previous level of support, flipped into resistance and then back into support, really bullish for continuation. And then since then, we've just been like a rocket, haven't we? Absolutely exploded to the upside here. I mean, we've basically doubled in price in the past 3 days. Having a bit of, cool off and correction up here, which is totally expected now, considering how bullish we've been. So now you can see what's going on. We can look at some short-term price predictions, and we can see that the all-time high is coming in at around this level here. Let me just outline this with a little bit of a line, looking something like this. This was our all-time high here. And, if we do start to retrace here, we would expect this this to be flipped into support now. We've had a big pump past it. So if we do start to see ourselves rolling over, we have got the previous all-time high at around 183. Coming in as a decent bit of support, we would say at this point. Look, coming in at around, that 183 level. If we do keep rolling over like this and retracing, that would be a decent level of support. We've obviously got the 20 moving average, which will be coming up every day like this. So in the next few days, this will probably come up and act as a decent confluence. If we did lose that level as well, we could come back down to the 20 moving average on the daily here. Probably will be coming in at around 150, 160 for a bounce. And then, do something like this where we chop sideways before a bit more of a move. But as we always say, if we do start to pump to the upside, then, it's price discovery mode at the minute for Algorand, isn't it? But I bet if we throw this fib retracement and extension tool on, we'll probably get a decent idea of some of the levels that we're actually been going up to. And as you can see, absolutely perfectly. And this was something that we were just alluding to now. You can see quite clearly, if I just make the chart a bit easier to see here. Basically, we said in our previous video, if we do break this all-time high, you're obviously looking for that 127 extension on all cryptos once they break the all-time high as the first resistance. And you can see fib retracement pulled from top to bottom. The next level that we hit perfectly was our 127 extension here, coming in at around that 242 area. We hit that and we've had a bit of a rejection. So very bullish indeed. So you can see what could happen now. We could potentially retrace inside of this fib level here, come back up, and then the next level that we would be targeting after that would be that 280 level if we did break it. So those would be our short-term price predictions. And then as you can see, we've already hit the 127 extension here. The 141's coming in at around that 278 level. The 161 coming in at around that 338 level. And the 227 here coming in at around a whopping 658 for Algorand. And considering how bullish it's been looking, that's only around a 3x from the current price. I mean, we could be looking at a big overextension from that if it continues. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.